Welcome back. In our last lecture, we covered the essential strip methods for cleaning whitespace. Today, we're going to look at several other indispensable string methods for common text manipulation tasks, changing case, checking content, and finding substrings. One, case conversion methods. Python makes it very easy to change the case of text, which is important for standardizing data. The lower method converts all characters to lowercase. The upper method converts all characters to uppercase. The title method capitalizes the first letter of every word. Two, content checking methods. These methods are incredibly useful for validation. They all return a Boolean value, true or false. Starts with, checks if the string begins with a specified substring. Ends with, checks if the string ends with a specified substring. Is digit, checks if all characters in the string are digits, 0 to 9, and if the string is not empty. 3. Substring finding methods. The find method is used to locate the starting index of a substring within the string. Find returns the lowest index where the substring is found. If the substring is not found, it returns -1. Replace returns a new string with all occurrences of an old substring replaced by a new one. To summarize, these string methods give you powerful, concise tools for common text tasks, from formatting usernames to validating file types. Always remember that they return a new string, they do not modify the original. That wraps up our study of the string sequence type. Next, we move on to the second and arguably most versatile sequence type in Python, the list. Join me in Lecture 4.7. Create a list. See you there.